All, my name is Ketan Jadhav. I am partner at EAC Consulting. EAC is based out of Munich, Germany and has offices in Mumbai, Shanghai, Kuala Lumpur and currently in process to establish a new office in New York. We have executed more than 2,500 management consulting projects of strategy, M&A, joint ventures and operational excellence across key global markets. In current global situation wherein India has strong economic fundamentals are attracting significant attention from global as well as domestic investors. Thus, in last 2 years, we have supported not only European companies but also domestic investors to define their long-term India investment strategy. I would like to invite you all to VDMA's first West Members Meet scheduled on 23rd of November, this Thursday at Pune, wherein EAC has been invited to share our learnings and from recent investment strategy projects executed in India. Also, please feel free to approach us at EAC stall during the event to understand support options for your specific requirements. Look forward to welcoming you all on Thursday morning. Thank you.